Hello, this is Skylar Rodriguez again. This is the exercise 2, week 6 lab, the salt tolerance and pH testing. So let me just bring my test tubes over here, candle right here. Okay, so I have my pipettes right now and some alcohol, and I have all my test tubes here. I've labeled them, all the nutrient broth. I have the 3S cerevisiae and the epidermidis, 3 of each, labeled pH 579 for each. Okay, so the first one I'm going to work on is the epidermidis. So I'm going to take the pH 5 tube, and I'm going to, I'm going to just flame that and flame the others. Let me just get this out real quick. Okay, so I'm going to take the pH 5, like I said, and I'm going to flame that. So this is going to sterilize it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it back up here, so you can see, and I'm going to take the HCI tube, which is right here, and I'm going to add only 1 drop to the pH 5. So just 1 drop. Okay, so there's 1 drop, and that's all we need. So after that, I'm just going to flame that up again, sterilize it, and cap it. Okay, so that was the epidermidis pH 5. And now what I'm going to do is take the S. cerevisiae, which will be right here, the pH 5, and I'm going to do the same thing for that one. So I'm going to flame this, and I'm going to add exactly 1 drop to that, and I will flame that as well. Okay, then I'm going to cap that again. Okay, so now those ones are done, so I'm going to set those there. I'm going to just bring the pH 7 ones back because I won't need to add anything to those for now. So now what I'm going to do is take the epidermidis and cerevisiae pH 9 tubes, and I'm going to add 1 drop of the NaOH, the sodium hydroxide, and cut the tip off of that. And same thing, I'm only going to add 1 drop to each. So first we have the pH 9 for the S. epidermidis. So I'm going to flame that. And I'm just going to flame this one while we're at it. I'm going to flame that one as well. And we're only going to add 1 drop to each. Okay. And then sterilize them once more. Okay. Okay, so like I said before, we're not going to be adding anything to the pH 7 as far as what we added to the pH 5 and pH 9. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take one of the droppers out of the alcohol. I'm going to shake that. Get all the alcohol out. Okay, and then I'm going to take my active culture broth for the epidermidis, which is right here. And then I'm going to flame this. I'm going to set that right up here. And what I'm going to do is add, let's see, I'm going to add 2 drops of the active culture of the S. epidermidis, and I'm going to add them to all 3 of the pH nutrient broths, so the 5, 7, and 9. So I'm just going to flame all of these. I don't know why I capped them all, but I'll just flame them real quick. Just go over them real quick. But now I know for next time that I can just flame it and keep them off. Alright. Okay, so they're all off, and I'm going to start with the epidermidis first. So I'm going to take my dropper that has been clear of the alcohol, and I'm going to add 2 drops into each tube. So for the epidermidis, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, okay. Like that. And we're going to just cap these real quick. Okay, so I'm going to hold off on capping them just so I can do the other 3. So I'm going to take the Cerevisiae active culture, and I'm going to flame that real quick just so I can get this video done a little quicker. So these are all flamed, and I have the other dropper here. Should get out real quick. Okay, and I'm going to take some of this and add it to the Cerevisiae. Okay, I'm going to add it 2 drops to each tube. 1, 2, okay. Put that back in the alcohol. And then what I'm going to do, put this back. I'm going to incubate these 6 tubes for 24 hours, and then I'm going to see how they turn out from there. So I'll let you guys see that after 24 hours. Thank you.